Hi guys, in this video, we are going to quickly see to push your code to GitHub. So first of all, you need to install Git. So in your Windows system, so click here to download and click here for me and quickly install it Git. So I have I have already installed. You can see here. So the next thing is that you should create a GitHub account. So you have already created a GitHub account means click here to in new to give a new repository. So make it give a repository name anything. So the next thing is that click on create repository. So next I have already created a code. So I quickly open in VS code. So the next thing is that open your terminal and copy the first three lines initially. Okay, it is a simple way I am which I am going to tell you. So the next is that for me I have already checked uh, tested in my computer. So for yours it will come like other thing. So the next I will write a command git add dot. So the next thing is that next four lines we copy and paste it here. So now the code will push automatically to GitHub. So if I go back to here and click on refresh, so you can see the code is here. So which I have written in my local computer, it is now. So this is the tutorial. So another way is there. So I quickly create a new file and come back again. So nice, you can see I have created a test2.c. Before that, I have only have test1.c. So no, just test.c. The next thing is that I manually push your code here. So click on add file and upload files. You can see choose here files. So after that, I will go to desktop. So where I have created and go to GitHub test and click the file test2.c and click on open. So here is uploading and next just click one button commit changes. So it will automatically process and push your code. This is a simple way so to push your code to GitHub. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And one thing I have to say that I have already uploaded yeah another video so with great explanation. So you can watch the video in this YouTube channel only. So thank you. See you soon.